We're going to create a quiz assignment today. So I'm going to go to classwork, create quiz assignment. So it automatically creates a Google form for you to go ahead and go in and um, create for yourself. So all you would have to do is click on this Google form and you could have a different type of quiz. So I might have a color quiz and then say, what is Mrs. Langley's favorite color? Okay. And then I would put in my options, blue, green, yellow, red. Okay, my favorite color is blue. So in my answer key, I would put blue, and I can put the value of points for however many I want. So I'm going to make this point worth 5. Okay. Now that this is created, all you have to do is go back here, and you will do favorite colors quiz. Okay. You can put your instructions in. I should also say that you can add different types of questions. So if you don't want it to be all multiple choice, you could have it be short answer, and it could be what is your favorite color, right? And you can have the answer key, and maybe this is worth 5 points as well. Okay, so the total quiz is worth 10 points. Okay, that will automatically save right here. Okay, it will also import the grades if you'd like it to right into Google Classroom. Okay, I'm going to put this as a due date of the 14th. Okay, and the topic sample assignments. Okay. Now, I have the option to lock mode on the Chromebook. So you could lock this for students so that they can't get out of the screen that they're in. But if you do that, all of your students need to be using Chromebooks. And if all of your students don't have Chromebooks, then they will not be able to access that. Okay. So that's the whole quiz assignment. You can assign this. Okay, and just to show you what a quiz assignment has looked like in the past, this is an old one from Marie Antoinette, okay, a podcast that they listened to. So they had a couple of longer questions and then a couple of short answer and a couple of multiple choice. And you can go to responses and it gives you a summary. So how well did your students do?